In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom shape frames in Canva. If you've ever wanted a photo or video to fill a shape that's uniquely yours, something beyond the standard circles and rectangles, this is a simple way to build it right inside Canva using the FrameMaker app. Start by opening the project where you want the custom frame to live. With your design open, look to the left side of the screen for the Apps panel. Click it, then use the search bar to look up FrameMaker. Select the FrameMaker app to launch it. This opens a workspace where you can design a frame by placing and moving points around a grid, giving you precise control over the outline of your shape. To define the edges of your frame, double-click on the canvas to add a point. Each point you create becomes a corner or bend in the boundary. If you want to change the shape, click and drag any existing point to reposition it. Move them slowly, and watch how the outline updates in real time. For example, you can pull the top 2 points inward and push the bottom 2 outward to form a clean trapezoid. Think of it like plotting landmarks along a route. The more accurately you place your points, the cleaner the final shape will look. If you need finer control, adjust the grid columns inside FrameMaker. Increasing the number of columns gives you more locations to place points, which is helpful for smoother curves or intricate angles. Keep in mind that more columns mean more potential points, so aim for a balance that gives you the detail you need without making the shape difficult to manage. As you refine, take your time with small, deliberate drags to avoid sharp, unintended kinks. If an edge looks off, nudge its nearby points rather than overcorrecting with big moves. Consistency along each side will help your frame feel polished and intentional. When you're happy with the outline, click Add to Design. This places the custom frame directly onto your canvas, scaled and ready to use. You can position it like any other element in your project, and it will behave like a standard frame, making it perfect for showcasing images or videos within your custom silhouette. That's it. Open your project, launch FrameMaker from Apps, add and adjust points by double-clicking and dragging, fine-tune with the grid columns, and add your custom frame to the design. With a few thoughtful point placements, you'll have a professional, one-of-a-kind shape ready to elevate your layout.